Welcome back, science enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the weird and wonderful world of science with 7 mind blowing facts that will leave you in awe. It's time to ignite our curiosity and embark on a journey of discovery. From the power of our stomach acid to the weight of a cloud, these facts will challenge your perceptions and broaden your understanding of the world around you. So, buckle up because these facts are so fascinating you won't want to miss a second. At the fact number 1, the human stomach can dissolve razor blades. Yes, you heard that right. It's no magic trick, but a testament to the sheer power of our stomach acid. This caustic cocktail is so potent it can break down even the toughest materials. So, should you ever find yourself accidentally swallowing a shard of glass or, heaven forbid, a razor blade, fear not. Your superhero stomach is more than equipped to handle it. Moving on to fact number 2, have you ever pondered how a laser beam can get trapped in water? This isn't an optical illusion, but a reality made possible by a phenomenon known as total internal reflection. Picture this. A laser beam contained within a jet of flowing water, a mesmerizing dance between light and liquid. This showcases the incredible properties of these everyday elements, reminding us that science is woven into the fabric of our lives. Watch as we demonstrate how a laser beam can be contained within a jet of flowing water, showcasing the incredible properties of light and liquid. Fact number 3. Did you know that Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean? That's right. Those tiny marine organisms like plankton and seaweed deserve a round of applause. They're the unsung heroes behind more than half of the world's oxygen supply. So next time you take a deep breath, remember to thank the oceans. They're not just for beach vacations, they're vital for sustaining life on Earth. Moving on to fact number 4, animals use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. Imagine having a built-in compass guiding you on your journeys. That's exactly what certain animals, from sea turtles to salmon, have. They can sense and navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. It's like they've got their own GPS system, only it's completely natural and doesn't require any batteries. It's like having a built-in compass that guides them on their journeys across vast distances. Anatadenti, fact number 5. Ever imagined how much a cloud weighs? You might picture fluffy cotton candy floating in the sky, but the truth is far more dramatic. The average cumulus cloud tips the scales at a whopping 1 million pounds. That's like having 100 elephants dancing on a pinhead in the sky. It's a testament to the power of Mother Nature and her ability to balance gargantuan weights on thin air. Moving on to fact number 6. Did you know bananas are radioactive? Before you start donning your hazmat suit, let me reassure you. Bananas contain potassium, a mineral that naturally decays and gives off a tiny amount of radiation. But don't worry, you'd need to eat a banana mountain taller than Everest to feel any effects. So go ahead, peel away and enjoy that potassium-packed snack. You would need to eat an astronomical number of bananas for it to be harmful. Fact number 7. Water can exist in 3 states at once. Now, before you start imagining a water molecule running around with 3 different passports, let me clarify. We're talking about the 3 physical states: gas, liquid, and solid. This unique phenomenon is known as the triple point. Under certain temperature and pressure conditions, water can simultaneously exist as a gas, a liquid, and a solid. What a multitasker, right? It's like the ultimate party trick of the natural world. Now, let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We've covered some ground today, from the stomach-dissolving prowess of our own body to laser beams playing hide-and-seek in water. We've given a shout-out to our oceanic oxygen producers and navigated the world with our animal compass users. We've weighed the clouds and even nibbled on some radioactive bananas. And finally, we've seen water pull off a hat trick by existing in 3 states at once. And there you have it, folks. 7 mind-blowing science facts that prove just how weird and wonderful our world truly is. It's a trip that's taken us from the microscopic to the cosmic, all in the name of understanding the curious, the bizarre, and the downright awesome. So stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing universe of science.